Is your PS5 telling you the storage is full even though you just deleted a massive game? Don't let a ghost storage bug stop your next session. I am going to show you how to fix those failed installations right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are diving into 10 advanced solutions to bypass the storage full error. And get your games installing again? This issue usually happens because the PS5 reserves a massive amount of space for other system data, or cached update files that did not clear properly. Basically, your console thinks it is busier than it actually is. Step 1. Rebuild your database. Turn off your console. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select Rebuild Database to reorganize your drive and reclaim ghost space. Step 2. Clear the system software cache. While you are still in safe mode, select the option to clear the cache. This wipes away temporary files that often block new installations from starting. Step 3. Delete pending downloads. Go to your Downloads and Uploads menu. If there is a paused or queued update for a different game, cancel and delete it completely. These hidden files reserve space even if they are not moving. Step 4. Check the Other Storage category. Go to your settings and look at your storage breakdown. If the Other section is over 100 gigabytes, you likely have a corrupted update. Rebuilding the database is the only way to shrink this down. Step 5. Manually sync your trophies. Sometimes the console holds onto large video clips or data until a sync is forced. Go to your profile and select Sync with PlayStation Network to clear out that temporary upload queue. Step 6. Offload media to a USB drive. Your 4K screenshots and video clips take up way more room than you think. Move them to a thumb drive and delete them from the internal SSD to give the system some breathing room. Step 7. Use a wired connection. If your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is dropping packets, the installation might fail. And lock the space. Plug in a LAN cable to ensure the handshake with the server is 100% stable. Step 8. Check for duplicate versions. If you have the PS4 and PS5 versions of the same game installed, the console might block a new install. Delete the older version to free up double the space instantly. Step 9. Change your DNS. Sometimes a server communication error makes the PS5 think a file is larger than it is. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Step 10. Restore your licenses. Go to Users and Accounts, select Other, and hit Restore Licenses. This refreshes your digital rights and can often kickstart a stuck installation that thinks it does not have permission to write to the drive. Here is a bonus pro tip. Always keep at least 50 gigabytes of free space beyond what the game requires. The PS5 needs this swap space to copy and move files during the installation process. If you face any difficulty or that progress bar is still stuck at 0%, please comment below. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide helped you get back to gaming, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your console is ready to go and I will see you in the next one.